Hello, fifth grade. I hope you're having a great first day back. I'm going to go ahead and go over your English language arts and your reading lessons that Miss Santiago and Miss Gonzalez provided for you today. I'm going to give you some graphic organizers you can use, some thoughts and ideas that may help you. So let's start off with reading. Today I'll read a little bit of Ruth and the Green Book. And so you have a vocabulary assignment that she wants you to do, including like writing the definition, writing a sentence, and adding a picture. Remember, you don't have to do the example, just definition, sentence, and picture. If you have a regular paper dictionary, I'd recommend using that just so you're still practicing your dictionary skills. If you don't, then, since we are on technology, you can use dictionary.com. You come up here, your first word is attendant. So you'd write it up here, attendant, and it brings up your definitions. And of course, you want to take into consideration how the word is being used in the book. So if you need to go back to Tumble Books and pull up the story, then do that. So you're making sure you're choosing the right definition. Okay. So from there, moving on to writing, you guys are writing I survived the coronavirus pandemic. So I want to make sure that you guys are brainstorming first off, and so Miss Gonzalez and Miss Santiago did a really good job at giving you some brainstorming tips over here on the side. Let me see if I can move it over. So you have stuff over here on the side. Before you start writing, picture in your mind the following: where were you? Who was with you? How did you feel when you first heard about the virus? What is one quote you remember hearing? So these are all very good examples of things you should be thinking about. Pull out a piece of paper and write it down. Remember, if you're able to write it down and see it, that'll help you go back. I also have some resources for you over here in our Google Drive. We have a bunch of graphic organizers that you can use to help with your planning for your writing. Okay, so you can use any one of those, or just a piece of paper and answer those questions that Miss Santiago and Miss Gonzalez have for you. Next, I want to make sure that you're using complete sentences. Okay, I know we're home and it's relaxing, but I want to make sure that you're still following proper grammar and you're using punctuation. So I also have more resources for you to use. In here I have how to write a simple sentence. Remember, you need a subject and a verb. Who the subject is the who and the verb is what did they do. Okay, that's a very simple sentence. I also put up what makes a sentence, and so you have the who, the what, the where, and the when. Okay, so who was it? The boy. What did he do? He ran. Where did he run? To the swing. And when did he do it? He did it at recess. So the boy ran to the swing at recess. We want to make sure we're using capitalization at the beginning of our sentences and punctuation at the end. There's also an anchor chart for you to read about what a complete sentence looks like and what it has. Okay, so if you need any more help, just let me know. Again, these graphic organizers and anchor charts are in our Google Classroom, and I can show you really quick how to get there. So we're in our Google Classroom. We go to classwork. We come to this folder. It says class drive folder. And then from there we go to ELA resources. And then you have all of these graphic organizers and sentence structure anchor charts that I was showing you. Okay, so good luck and let me know if you need anything else.